Hello lads, welcome back to another survival roleplay episode. Just before I start role playing, I just gotta say, you might be wondering why I haven't in the right save game, right save position. It's because I was recording episode 3, but my account got corrupted, so I need to go back to old save games so you don't miss anything. But no, yeah. So this is an older version. So yeah. So I'll just go quickly get everything ready to make it how I usually would be, and I'll see you in a second, lads. Alright, hello lads. Welcome back to another survival roleplay episode. Yeah. If you saw episode 2, I might delete that soon because you aren't meant to see that. Anyway, yeah, so this is gonna be the actual episode 2. So, I've just woken up here. It's actually 14 o'clock, but, I was out partying last night with my contractor, Peter. He's the lad who owns the house, and I'm contracting for him. So, yep. So, my head feels a bit better now. I actually didn't have any alcoholic substances because I knew I'd be contracting, but I think I might have stayed up a bit late. So, but he says no problem because he was actually asleep there. So, he just told me there's gonna be a John Deere 6R parked up soon, and I need to drive that to the next door farm and I need to harvest some potatoes. So, the lad who was transporting this off, he just walked down to the farm, walked back down. So yep, it's a pretty nice John Deere this actually. I'm just a bit confused what this is in the back. I think it's something to like inflate the tires or something. Not do so. So yeah, it's a nice John Deere, pretty modern one, pretty big. So I think it's a bit, yeah, put that up. And how did he get out of this thing? Because the steam was so damn low, I need to higher it up. So, yeah, he left the engine running there, so I can just... I think it was a good... I think he said left it down the road because this year is way too tight and I have a big potato harvester on the back, so I need to turn around somewhere here. It's a good place to turn around. If I just see like a random... Oh yeah, I'll turn around in this grass field. I'm pretty sure land contracting for owns this. And did I hit something? I just heard something. Am I hitting something? Of course I can't be trusted with this big thing, and that's the one contract with this, but oh yeah, I'm just hitting the metal pole a little bit. Did I dent it up over the head? I didn't dent it up too much. So that's a bit lucky. So I'll just back up. Oh my god. Right. So I'll have to look backwards here. Is there any way I can get in here? He's still just went in the farm yet. Alright, finally Jesus. Alright, so we're good now. So we'll turn around here and we'll get back to business. You can probably confuse on where I am, and I'll slow down a bit when I'm going out here. So I'm speeding up. Luckily he's only next door, the lad I'm gonna do this for, so yeah. Turn the indicators and oh! Alright, so it's a bit, I can't really see too much visibility. Hopefully no cars coming out there, because I literally can't see at all. Nope. Alright. So, yeah, I can just drive straight forward. Actually, I'm too sure what the gate is. I'm assuming it's just a bit. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. There was a police car there. Please no one here, so I can just. Oh! That was close. Definitely didn't crash. Anyway, so. Jesus Christ. Right, so, yep, this is why I can't be trusted with a big machine. I thought I could just go straight out and. Oh, stupid van. I can't really see too good here. Hopefully this track isn't too dented up because I'm pretty sure it's brand new. Could check the number plate, but I'm going the wrong way, haven't I? I feel like I'm going the wrong way because I can see to the right is a potato field. Please, I'm meant to be doing that and I see no gate. Oh, good, this is farm down here. So hopefully the gate's down here. So actually I might just go quickly go up to the lad's house and see is everything good. This toy house is empty, I think. Maybe he just hadn't really bought his machinery down here yet. So oh yeah, I see Zeta here. So yep. I got the right farm because Peter said that he owns a Zeta. But yep, so got a trailer, Zeta with, I'm assuming that's a potato planter. Cultivator. Yeah, so still don't know where his house is. Oh, I can see up here, down this lane. So yep, I'll just go give a quick chat. I can just jump over here. Oh, has he got children? He's got a slide there and the. Oh, I guess his child must have left a toy out there. I'll give him that. So yep, I'm just gonna go make sure everything's correct and I'll see you in a second. Well, yep, so everything's all good. So yep, we can go back to the John Deere now. Might actually get a bit of a warning because I need to stay fit. So yep, we'll go up here. Oh, he's got a Land Rover. Don't know why that's not over at the farmyard. And seed bags. Alright, so, yep. So I'm pretty sure the John Deere's up here, yeah. So I'm pretty sure I saw the potato. I didn't see an entrance to the potato field, but I did see the potato field itself, so I'll be able to figure it out. Oh, I forgot there's a ton of axles. How does he drive this big thing? Like, it's gonna take me a while to navigate the yard. I won't make you suffer through it. So yeah, I'll cut to where we're over at the field. Anyway, lads, so I found out where the gate was. I'm ready to start work. My dog. That lad just gave me lunch. But I can't eat lunch all day. Have to make a video. Oh wait, that's a bit small. Alright lads, I don't know, I can't even see. I regret doing this job. This is gonna take forever. I don't want to skip the whole thing, but I guess I'll need to do this. Am I even home? Is this even on? It isn't even on. Right, that's a bit better. I really feel like someone more experienced should be doing this. But yeah, I guess I'll do it. Anyway, yeah, this is the most annoying job I've ever done. Have to say it, most annoying job. Anyway, I'll see you in a second. I'm sorry for jump cutting so much, but yeah, after I could just go take forever. Decided on pause for a second. This was to show you it's now 6 o'clock, and I'm also cutting the potatoes now because the harvest, there's some more lads in the harvester now. So yeah, put the potatoes down there. Yeah, this is how I'll give you a quick update. Try again now. Here's another quick update. I've been harvesting for a while, so just thought I would give you another quick update. I did not walk through the night. That I've just woken up. I went home. Well, not my home, but Peter's home. So yep, I just thought I'd give you another update. Anyway, need to get back to harvesting. See you soon. Right, lads, I'm just finishing up. Just took way too much time. So yeah. It's been a really long time. So yeah, at least I'm nearly done, and that lad better pay me a good amount because I've been flat out, and he only helped me a tiny bit, like. So yep, nearly done at least. And he's told me I can just drop his tractors down at his yard. But I actually need to leave the Zeta in the field. So I'm driving. Well, no, he said to leave the John Deere in the field because he said he actually wasn't expecting me to be able to get into the field with that tiny gate. He said usually he has like a little cut through the hedges somewhere. Didn't tell me exactly where, but yeah, he made a little cut to the hedges somewhere, and he usually just goes through there. So, well, at least that's something good. At least I was able to somehow go through there, and I barely even drove a tractor too much before this. Because back in my uncle's business in Fairhead, I didn't walk too much. I would usually just be up in the tractor with him. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, let's say this is the last line. So then I can. Actually, it would be pretty nice if I could drive the Zeta home. Because, I don't know, just probably me being lazy. So, also sorry if to say background stuff, just my parents and all. Also, my dog's up with me here. So yep, that's the last bit. Now I can empty the cell out. Pipe out. So yeah, that's a job well done. Oh, a new mixer, not to crash into the Zeta. They already crashed into the Zeta. On chapter. Nah, but that was close. So if I need to find the better way to go through. Alright, here we are. So yep, that's it, that's about it. Also, we filled that up the silo over at the farm, so the lad, I actually haven't gotten his name yet. He has made a little silo out of bales. So pretty useful actually, I guess. So he kind of helped. So yeah, I'll just leave that parked up. He also said he might be using the John Deere in a second. So yeah, I can just leave it parked up. But I'd say Zeta will fit through that gate. Because I fit in it, so I can probably go out of it. But going in the villa, I did go to. So if you're wondering, I'm pretty sure I already sold you, but when it was nighttime, but I was sold in the daytime. That's the silo there. But there's another silo up here. Yeah, you can kind of see it through there. I'll turn in here. Yep, so here isn't really too full now because we only just got the silo full, but yep, we're back in. Right, time to overload the potatoes. So, right, time to collect my pay. I reckon I can just park this back up in the farmyard and he won't mind. So, I think I can probably just park it next to his Land Rover. Anyway, time to go collect some pay. Oh, I just got a text. Might read it later though. Alright, so I'll just go knock at his door. I just got some pay. And alright, I have to go read the text now. Come here. Right, so it's from Peter. Come here quickly. It's bad. Could that be? Come quickly. I guess I won. But I have no idea what that could even be like. Hopefully nothing bad happened. Hopefully they won the accident or something. Oh, nice lolly. Yeah, and just gotta hope it's nothing bad. Hopefully it's just like a tractor crashed into a ditch. But still won't be good, but it's better than a big accident. So, here's his farm. Go in here. Oh, well that's not a great sign. Why are the police here? Ah, Peter, there you are. I'll have to go give a chat to him. That's concerning. Tractor's been stolen, and also CCTV caught it, but the thing about it is the person was wearing a mask. So what he did was he pulled over at the right here. It was some type of Mitsubishi car. So a Mitsubishi parked over at the side of the road there. Went to my Massey Fox and they tried to start it, but it didn't work, so instead he just stole a water bottle from me and the keys, which isn't that big a problem. But the bad part is he went them over to the yard here. Sadly, we didn't really see him steal the case, but the case was parked up right here. So yeah, the case is now gone. Also, he then went over here and he tried to steal this digger, and what I found in here was he found Peter's wallet because he accidentally left it in the digger. So yeah, it's bad times, and well that's just what we think happened because the camera is like kind of up here and it was pointed here, so we just think it was there because we saw him go in and grab something and we just assume it's a wallet because Peter remembers leaving his wallet there and now we can't find it. So man, don't know what to do now because yeah, that was a really good tractor, that whole case. But we've other things to do, so hopefully the Gardaí will let me out. Am I allowed out? Yep, cheers. Oh, you just told me I'm allowed out. Because I saw online, well, I was having a break up there where I was harvesting the potatoes, and there's houses for sale up in town. So, yep, we might check up there, and who knows, we might even find the case. So, of course we aren't going to buy a house this early on, but we might rent one because I'm actually doing pretty well off because that lad, he paid me at since that was an entire 2 days work. Pay me €2,000. That's a lot. If you don't know. I should probably be more careful when accepting when the Guardian went behind me. So yep, I guess we'll go check on the houses. Actually, I wonder, would the robber have it over at the shop? Because as the robbers say that this could be a local man. Actually, but I'd say they probably would have found it if it was at the shop. Imagine if it actually is at the shop and I find it. Not a false shadow. I said nothing. So hopefully you didn't hear what I just said. So yep, going up here, this float. This thing actually is a bit slow, just now noticing. Also, sadly we didn't get the number plate of the Mitsubishi, so yeah. Oh, Jesus! What's it? Oh, I guess that was a crosswalk though. And hopefully that lorry will let me go through. Yep, good. No cars coming. So, I'm gonna just quickly check the used market. It also could be a tractor that Peter might buy if the robber's dating to the case, because I reckon they might actually be selling it overseas instead of here. It's probably not here. Oh! Well, wait, who's here? Hello? Sorry, I saw someone there. Wait, why do you have a gun? What the heck?